Welcome to Flavors. Today I'll be sharing with you street style recipe of veg Manchurian with veg fried rice. Let's start with veg Manchurian first. I've taken some grated carrot, some grated cabbage. First we'll add some salt and keep it aside for 15 minutes so that they release all the water. In the meantime, we'll start preparation for veg fried rice. For this, I have taken some boiled and cooled rice, some chopped carrots, grated ginger, some chopped garlic, whites of spring onion, some corn and green part of the spring onion, some salt, vinegar and black pepper powder. In a pan, take very little oil. Once the oil is hot, we'll add the white part of the spring onion, 1 spoon of grated ginger, half a spoon of chopped garlic. Give it a mix. On high flame, add the chopped carrot. Chopped cabbage. Mix it. After 2-3 minutes, add some corn, saute it for a minute. Reduce the flame, add some spring onion. Let it saute for around 2-3 minutes. The veggies look almost done. Add the rice. Adding salt according to taste. Some black pepper powder. One spoon vinegar. One spoon soy sauce. Give it a mix. Toss them. Mix them gently on high flame. Sprinkle very little sugar to give that caramelized flavor to the rice. Gently mix it. Looks perfect. Switch off the flame. After 10-15 minutes, we'll mix the carrot and cabbage and drain the excess water. Once we have drained all the excess water, we'll add around 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, around 2 spoons of corn flour. Mix it well. Also adding little salt and some soya sauce to give a good color to the Manchurian balls. Mix it well. In the meantime, keep some oil in a kadai for frying the Manchurian balls. The mixture looks perfect. At this stage, if you are not able to form a ball, add some more maida and corn flour. Make small balls. And keep them ready for frying. Form the balls tight so that they don't open while frying. The balls are done. Now we'll start frying them. We'll fry them in batches, around 6 to 8 balls at a time. When the oil is hot on high flame, we'll add the balls. Now reduce the flame to medium. After 5-7 minutes, turn them. The color looks perfect. We'll remove them in a plate. We'll start frying the next batch of balls. Gently turn them. Once all the balls are fried, we'll start making the sauce for the Manchurian. For the sauce, in a pan, take 1 spoon oil. For the sauce, I have taken ginger garlic paste, some spring onion for garnishing, vinegar, green chili sauce, soya sauce, tomato ketchup, and some black pepper. Once the oil is hot, add some chopped onion. On high heat, saute it for a minute. Add some ginger garlic paste. Saute it well. Till this is getting done, we'll prepare the cornflour slurry. For the slurry, in a bowl, take some water and add 1 spoon of cornflour. Mix it well. Keep it aside. Onions look done. We'll add the sauces now. Adding some tomato sauce. Keep the flame on low. 1 spoon green chili sauce. 1 spoon soya sauce. 1 spoon of vinegar. And a pinch of white pepper powder or black pepper. Adding very little salt because all the sauces also have salt in them. Mix it again. Since I am making a semi-dry preparation, I'll add a glass of water. Let it boil on high flame for around 5-7 minutes. At this stage, when the sauce has come to a boil, you can check for salt and seasoning. If there's anything which is less, you can add it at this stage. Perfect. We'll now add the cornflour slurry to thicken the sauce. Mix it well. Once it has boiled again, reduce the flame. Add in the Manchurian balls. Let it boil for 1 or 2 minutes. Garnish it with some spring onions. Switch off the flame, it's ready. Very delicious veg fried rice with Manchurian is ready to serve. Do try this recipe. If you liked it, please give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.